Long ago, 5 knights gathered to protect all realities from their greatest threats, collecting and guarding them. However, one became obsessed with power. Geno, my father. He stole the Blade of Dreams from his fellow knight Morpheus' perfect world onto every world. After my family, the Seven, destroyed his planes of order, he went mad. He sent everyone into the deep sleep with the Blade of Stasis. With the help of Gunnar, Sloane, and Peely, the rightful heir to that blade, we'll end Geno's final nightmare. That is, if you can help us first. Told us that Peely is the only one who can destroy the blade.
You choose to rebel against a perfect world. With 3 nobodies and a banana? Huh, do not waste my time, daughter. If only you knew how much I cared for you. You want to know why your sister didn't survive? Because you and her are not perfected. Never were.
Don't waste my time.
I can show you. Why hasn't anything worked yet? I feel like I have tried everything! I will make you perfect. I promise. You deserved the world. But the one I made for you was too frail to be true. And I've learned from my mistakes. True perfection requires sacrifice.
Did our perfect snapshots ever exist then?
Never.
You stole a sword! Where's your self-sacrifice?
Morpheus was fine without it. Only I could use the blade for good, to save you and your sister. But you woke up too soon. What did they see?
Some kind of anomaly, sir. A butterfly, taking them out of stasis.
Couldn't allow you to find out the truth.
be it then. So then, my sister is truly gone. The road to your hell is paved with good intentions!
My greatest error was to think life could be left unchecked. My children, behave. You're perfect.
I know how to stop this. We can concentrate all zero-point energy into its shell, away from the gem. It might split the shell into shards, but reality will at least survive. Gonna need your help here. can't believe he's gone.
What do I do with the reawakened fellows?
Find a new world for them. One where they're not bound to the loop. I trust you.
I wish you were here to help me, boy.
I'm so sorry. He was our best.
Well, dear viewer, so